Amtico flooring. This is about 15 years old and it's in a lovely house in Surrey. This is the dining room and right ahead of us is the kitchen, and then we have the hallway that runs to the front door. The floor appears to be in quite a soiled condition and there's various scratches and that, but we won't know what we're dealing with really until the floor has had a deep clean. So the first step that we take is a thorough vacuum to remove all the surface debris, and then we will apply a product which will basically lift all the dirt and all the grease and everything from the tile, and then we rinse all that away and we dry the floor. Right, the floor has been deep cleaned. We've removed all the dirt and grease from the surface. Okay, so it's looking nice, it's looking bright. That darker kind of look that it had before has gone, and that was all the dirt that we've removed. And right to the door, it's clean. So we are going to use, the next step would be to use this product here, Secure Matte Hard Seal by Dr. Schutz. This product will not mask scratches, it won't repair the wear layer. What it will do is provide anywhere between 12 to 18 months surface protection, enhance the colour of the tile. Okay, we use this product mostly on brand new flooring. The customer has opted for a bit of a freshen up on this tired old floor, but straight away it's actually looking quite nice now it's so clean. So let's get a couple of coats of Secure Hard Seal on this floor and let's come back to it in a bit and see how it looks in. Right, that's the floor completed. 2 coats of the Dr. Schutz Matte Secure Hard Seal. The time is 12:30. We started this job at 9:30. It's approximately 25 square metres of floor, and I think you'll agree that looks really nice, doesn't it? Such an improvement compared to how it looked before. And our machine has cleaned all the edge right up to the kickboards there, right up to the skirting boards. Getting rid of all that dirt, years and years of dirt that built up. All the grease that was around this area here, just under the cooker on the hob. So yeah, looks fantastic. And it's breathed new life into this old floor.